Hi guys, this is Sadik from Droidwin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to flash the latest Pixel 9 Pro boot animation on any Android phone. So please take a backup of all the data on your phone and then let's get started. First and foremost, you will have to root your phone via Magisk. That's quite along the obvious line. So if your phone came with Android 12 or older version, then you have to use the boot img file, patch it via Magisk and flash it via fastboot command. On the other hand, if your phone came with Android 13 or a higher version, then you have to use the initboot img file, patch it via Magisk and flash it via fastboot. And once you have obtained root, let me show you. Currently I am rooted via Magisk. So once you have obtained root, your next course of action is to simply flash the boot animation. Now here comes the most important part. As of now, there are two variants of this boot animation, the 1080p resolution and the 1440. It's along the obvious line that the 1440 is of higher quality, but to flash this is not a Magisk module. On the other hand, the 1080p is a Magisk module. So if you want to try the 1080p, then you could simply flash the module via Magisk and the boot animation will be active. But on the other hand, the 1440p is not a Magisk module, so you will first have to make the system RW and then manually change the boot animation zip file from the stock to the custom one inside the system product media directory. This requires quite a lot of effort, but I have made a separate video and a guide on the same. Regarding this, first and foremost, let me show you how to get the job done via the 1080p resolution, and then I'll show you with the 1440p. So regarding the 1080p, all you have to do is simply flash the module via Magisk. So in this regard, download the module from here, and once you have got the module file, transfer it onto your phone, then launch the Magisk app, go to modules, tap on install from storage and simply select this module, and once you have made the selection, tap on OK. The module will now be flashed. Finally, hit the reboot button and the Pixel 9 Pro boot animation is now live. You will now see the boot animation right now. So let's give it a few more seconds. First off, you will see the OnePlus warning and the boot logo, and now just after this you will see the Pixel 9 Pro boot animation. This boot animation is for all the Pixel 9 series. As you could see, it's the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Pixel Fold as well. If you want to see once again, then I could show you that once more as well. So let me restart the phone once again via the Magisk app itself, reboot, and let me show you the Pixel 9 series boot animation is applicable across all the Pixel 9 series. So it was quite an easy task. We just had to flash the module, and once the module has been flashed, as you could see, the boot animation is now up and running. Moreover, you don't even have to take a backup of the stock boot animation. In this case, you just have to turn off the module, and as soon as you disable the module, from the next time the stock boot animation will be automatically active. So if I go there and simply, let me show you, turn off the module from here and try and do a restart. Now if I do a restart, let me show you, the Pixel 9 series boot animation will be replaced by the stock boot animation, and we don't even need to take a stock boot animation then replace it. So you don't have to carry out any such task. We will now be back with the stock boot animation of our phone, which is the Evolution X boot animation in my case. So as you could see, I am now back with the stock boot animation. I didn't even have to replace it or do anything whatsoever. But if you want to enhance the quality of this boot animation and you want to use the 1440p boot animation, then as of now there is no Magisk module for this. So you will have to manually get this job done. Regarding that, your first course of action is to make your system RW. For that, I have made a separate guide and a video on the same. You could refer to this guide and the video and make the system partition RW via the fastboot command or the TWRP recovery. Both the methods work well and good. This is the video for fastboot and this is the video for TWRP. Likewise, these are the steps for both the recovery and the fastboot method. So get this job done. Once that is done, once you have made the system partition RW, you will then have to install a root supported file manager app such as the Solid File Manager app. So install it, give it the root access and the storage access, then go to the root directory. From here you will get a Magisk prompt, tap on grant, and from here you will have to now access the following location, which is system product media, and this is your current boot animation. So you will have to take a backup of this boot animation. This backup was not required in case of 1080p because Magisk took care of everything by default. But since we are taking the manual approach now in the 1440p, so you will first off have to take a backup. The easiest way of doing so is simply rename it to add a .bak at the end, or you may add anything of your choice and tap on OK. And with this we have changed this, and this is no longer a boot animation. And now what you have to do is simply place this boot animation inside this directory in the media directory. So for that, enable the auto rotate. Once that is done, let me show you. You will now have two directories. This is the internal memory and this is the root directory. So download the 1440p boot animation from here, and then you will have to rename it to boot animation.zip. Then just copy it from here and paste it inside the system product media directory. As of now, my phone is not RW, so it will not be pasted. As you could see, it's showing an error message. But once you make the system RW, you just have to copy the boot animation. Just make sure that the naming scheme is exactly as this, boot animation.zip. So this should be the exact same boot and naming scheme. Once that is done, copy it from here and simply paste it inside the media directory, and then restart the phone, and the 1440p boot animation will be live on your phone. Then if you want to replace it with the stock boot animation, then simply delete or remove this pixel boot animation, and after that you could simply rename the stock boot animation back. So let me show you. So simply again go to the system directory, system product media, and now rename it back to the original name, which is the boot animation.zip. And with this you will be back to the stock boot animation, and now you will be back. So guys, these were the steps to flash the latest Pixel 9 Pro boot animation. If you want the 1080p, then simply flash it via Magisk. You don't have to take any backup whatsoever. As soon as you flash via Magisk, the boot animation will be active. And if you want to remove it, then simply disable the module, or you may remove the module as well. As you could see, I've simply turned off the module. Then as soon as you disable the module, the stock boot animation will be live. On the other hand, if you want to enable the 1440p quality boot animation, then in that case you will first have to make the system partition RW via the recovery or the DWRP method. Once that is done, you will then have to first and foremost rename the stock boot animation to something else, and then download this 1440p Pixel Pro boot animation, and then rename this boot animation to the boot animation.zip file, and then transfer it inside the system product media directory and restart your phone. Upon a restart, you will then get the Pixel 9 Pro boot animation. And if you want to get back to the stock boot animation, simply remove the Pixel boot animation and then rename the stock boot animation to the boot animation.zip. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.